Hi everyone. So today we'll be seeing how we can create our own custom input box in Bubble with multiple tags. So let me show you demo what we are going to build. So that will be something how it will be looking. So yeah. So yeah, that's the basic demo what we are going to build today. Okay. So let's continue with it. Okay, so let me tell you a basic logic in Bubble how we are going to achieve it first. So first we will be having up a main group. Inside that main group we will be having up a repeating group and we will be having an input box here. Then we will be having a button which trigger the input. So how it will be working is we'll be having a repeating group and repeating group will have a custom state with a list of text items and that list we will be having from input box. So as we enter the text in input box, we'll be storing all the list into the repeating group and we'll keep on displaying it here. Okay. And when we press enter, then a workflow will be triggered here on button. So that is just a giving up an overall view of how the things will be working. Now let me show you how it's working over into the bubble editor. Okay. Okay. So now we are in bubble editor. Let me show you how it works. So first we are having up a main group. In that main group, we are having up a repeating group and its type of content is text and we are having a custom state of set tag, which is a list of tag. Okay. List of set tag, which is a type of text. Okay. Then inside that we are having up a group and you can design this group as you want. It will have a data source, current cell tag, and then you will have an input tag here. This input tag will be by default hidden and it will only when it will be focused, then only it will be shown. Suppose here if I want to show you, then here by default is hidden. When I click on it, then this input tag is visible. So that's what we are achieving it here. Okay. So now let me show you how it's working. We are having up a button here. If you want, you can hide it. If you want, you can show it. I prefer to hide it here for it's look much better. So when we press enter on the keyboard, then this workflow will be triggered. So what is happening in this workflow is we are having up a input. We reset the input, the text that we enter, we reset it. We show input tag, we set focus on the input tag, and we simply set the state. So let me show you how it's working. Now, suppose when I type anything here, and when I click enter, then that input tag that got disappear, this appears here and this get focus over here. The new tag, the new input is yet then focus over here, and this word is set into the list of the repeating group. So that's simply what happening over here. We reset the input tag, we show input tag, and we focus it again. And the text that we've written, we just simply put it into a repeating group text plus item input tag available. Simple. That's what we're doing, and we are simply displaying it into the repeating group. Now, when the main is clicked, when main group is clicked, then we simply show input tag and we focus on it. Uh, it's just simply for this logic. When we click over here, then it will focus on this input box. So for that, what we are having this logic, and this is for the cross. Suppose we want to remove any item from the repeating group list custom state that we are having, then it's simple. Uh, we simply just take the repeating group, set tag all the group that we are having, and then we minus item parent group text. Whatever we have written, we just minus it from there, and we simply display it in the repeating group. So yeah, that simple thing that we are doing here, and that's how it's working. We have a group, we have a repeating group, we have a cross item, we have a parent group text, and we simply have an input tag with a button over here. Nothing much more fancy. We are just simply playing with groups and buttons over here, and that's how we customize app in Bubble. And yeah, let me know what you think of it and what more you want in Bubble, or what more custom things can be built in Bubble or you want, and how you like it. Okay, then see you. Until then, goodbye. Bye bye.